Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for July the 11th to July the 13th. Cancer, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yun sa ating Babaylan TV. No? Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So, Cancer, ang nakikita ko dito parang you need to take action, no? Kasi parang iniisip mo dito, gagawin ko ba to or hindi, no? Parang, should I move forward and leave the connection, or should I stay in the connection? No, I think that there's a lot of things that you are gathering as of the moment. It could be your strength. It could also be yung sabihin nating abundance, evidence, no? Proof, what have you. I think that we are collecting. Kumbaga, we're taking back, no? Kung ano itong rightful na para sa atin. The journey that you are having is somewhat a little lonely, no? Kasi kailangan mo mag-take action agad-agad. Parang sa'yo, you were left no choice, no? Parang as much as possible gusto mo maging lenient sana. As much as possible gusto mo na okay kayong dalawa, no, ni person. Pero parang ipinupush ka, no? Parang gumawa ng isang bagay. Tapos, ang kadakot-dakot pa nito, baka mamaya ikaw pa ang masama, no? Either tinulungan mo yung tao, sasabihin sa'yo, hindi ko naman hiningi, hindi ko naman sinabing tulungan mo ko. So, itong iyong pagmamagandang loob, no? Ikaw pa ang mapapasama. Kumbaga, ayaw mo na rin mag-explain, ayaw mo na lang din magsalita. Chances are, yung iba sa inyo is ganito naka-close, no? Konting-konti na lang to make a decision of fully moving forward. Leave the connection behind. Ang sabi mo, I'm just going to work on my progress. It could be progress because I want to heal, progress because I wanted to sabihin natin na magfo-focus na lang din ako sa trabaho ko, sa sarili ko, no? Hindi pa sayang yung time, yung effort, yung pera, no? Kung sa sarili ko na lang. Parang hati kasi talaga yung puso natin dito. Mahal kasi natin yung tao. Alam natin, mamimiss natin or namimiss na natin for those of you who actually made a move, no? To a point na minsan siguro ayaw mo nang kausapin. You lost the enthusiasm, no, for this person to sabihin natin actually talagang makipag-usap, no? With the 5 of coins, parang iniwan mo na lang, no? Ayaw mo na rin humingi ng mga tanong. Ayaw mo na rin humingi ng mga sagot nor paliwanag. Ang sa'yo, I just want to take what I probably gave, no, in the connection. Kahit na napakaraming tanong, napakarami nating gusto pang sabihin. Parang sa'yo, what's the sense of it all? Kung nandito na sa losing end, kumbaga sa um, yung nire-revive natin, no? Kumbaga sa ER, yung takbo nung I don't know what kind of gadget that is. I'm not a medical practitioner. Yung ganun sa puso, no? Yung parang ganyan. Eto ba? Yan. So, yung heartbeat, no? You feel like it's about to get flatlined, no? So, parang sa'yo, I am submitting na lang, no? Whatever happens, siguro dun na lang ako. It's not easy. It's actually lonely, no? May panghihinayang kasi sayang yung time, sayang yung oras. But it kind of gives me no choice somehow also to be strengthened and harden, my heart. Kasi kapag hindi ko naman ginawa ito, ako naman ang kawawa, no? So let's check some more cards here. By the way, Cancer, I would like to ask for a little help, no? Sa inyo. Kasi meron gumagaya sa account, no? Lalo na sa TikTok. And nagre-report na po sa akin itong mga nabiktima na um, nanghihingi na ng mga GCash, no? Hindi po ako yung nagme-message. Ililink ko po sa hingi lang ako ng tulong kasi kapag ito lumala, might as well, hindi na ako magre-reading, no? Kasi I'm going to put my name, no? And freedom, no? In jeopardy. So might as well stop everything. Ayaw naman din natin mangyari. So I will ask for your help to report the account. I'll be placing the account link doon po sa description box, no? Kasi trinay ko kanina, binubura sa comment section. So dito po tayo sa description box. Yun po yung unang-unang please report the account, no? Hingi lang po ako ng konting tulong sa inyo na paki-report na lang po, no? Na fake account yon. So shelter. I believe that balik na tayo ha. Sorry to butt that in. So what are you seeing here is you are probably going home to your parents or leaving the person behind or going to the province, no, to your country. Um, somewhat you wanted to separate yourself physically, no, and I think most numbers of you are already did that. Three of coins and the knave of swords. I think naglayas, pinalayas, what have you, it's a sudden decision. And I think that you also made a decision here na, oo nga, tama nga. Tama siguro na ito na ang magiging decision ko. This is my last straw. No? Let's clarify first the Five of Coins, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Coins. Kumbaga sa'yo, kukunin ko na lang kung ano itong natitira sa akin. It could be damit, it could be, alahas, no, properties. It could be my self-respect as well. That's actually abundant, no? Yung makuha ko man lang yung dangal ko, no? Parang I'm going to stop this person to stomp on my being, no? I'm not going to allow this person to walk under their feet, no? Anymore. So, parang sa'yo, enough is enough, no? I think that you are also, for a few numbers of you, siguro hiniwalay na itong mga savings, no? If you have this mutual funds, I think that you secretly somehow also, no, you na nag-iipon na tayo for ourselves na. Again, what I am reading here is the dynamic. Um, I might be reading for you, Cancer, your person, or the cross watchers. Basta ito yung nangyayari, no? So, with the Eight of Wands in here, the Seven of Coins, and the Two of Swords. Ah, yung iba sa inyo naka-impake na yung damit, no? Um, whether you take it in literally or energetically, no? Naririnig ko nga ngayon, I'm living on a jet plane, no? And I don't know if I'm gonna be back again, diba? Kasi parang may inaantay ka na lang na sign, hudyat, time, schedule, what have you, I'm done, no? The Two of Swords is also clarified by the Nine of Wands and the Knave of Cups. Ang tagal din natin pinag-isipan, ang tagal din natin umupo-upo, no? Para lang mapunta tayo dito sa isang firm decision na gagawin natin. Nararamdaman ko yung sakit, Cancer. Dahil kung ikaw lang, no, magtitiis ako. And I think na nagawa niyo na yun. Kumbaga, na-push kayo sa limit ninyo. Na, ito na yung sinasabi natin, nauntog na ako. No? Nauntog na ako, nagising na ako sa katotohanan. Oo, nagpakatanga ako. Pero alam kong dadating ang araw, kung magkakasalubong man kami, hindi ako yung yuyuko, no? Sa kahihiyan. Dahil ginawa ko yung best ko. Ang sakit-sakit kasi with the by the book in here. Yun nga, wala kang choice. Ito na yung last resort. Ayaw mo man, pero kailangan. Diba? Cancer, tignan natin dito. It may be your emotion that's gonna pop up, or it may be, sabihin natin, yung person mo, no? Emotion. I love you so much. Are you thinking about me? So, nandito nga tayo sa feeling na we're stuck, we're lonely, during the journey of moving forward. I'm praying for your healing, Cancer. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. No, this might be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, no? And probably Cancer as well, no? Baka kapwa Cancer. So again, Cancer, this is your reading. Nagmamakaawa po ako sa inyo. Paki-report po, no? Yung nasa description box, yung unang-unang doon, please report the account. Para po magdire-diretso tayo, no? Tsaka para makapag-focus na ako sa reading kasi medyo iniisip ko siya. And Cancer, this is your July 11 to July the 13th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa Babaylan TV po, no, sa YouTube channel. Doon lang po tayo din nagla-live or minsan sa TikTok kasi kailangan kong asikasuhin, no, itong fake accounts. And Cancer, kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito, no, as long as your question sa comment section is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi naman po kayo, or feeling nyo hindi kayo nasasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun yung link din ng aking website, Ngayon, nandun po yung mga legit na transaction. Nandun po yung QR code, yung GCash number na legit kasi dito mismo galing. Hindi po ako yung mismong mag-message sa inyo, no? Para pilitin kayo for a reading. Nandun po yung information QR codes ng payment method. And I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. Nandun din po if in case that you want to avail our private reading, no? Take advantage of it. Cancer, maraming maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.